It's always been my problem, not being able to get him up.
You're not.
What's up? Oh shit! I'm in this. I didn't realise I was in this room. I thought I was in the other room.
No, man. Back in this room, bro.
The death room. Shit. Fucking seahorses. Seahorses. Fucking. There we go.
There you go. That's cool. When you actually
kill
that,
it kills all the rest. It's pretty cool.
I like that.
I like the sprite work in this. It's nice.
I do as well.
I'm not a huge fan of Genesis or Mega Drive compared to SNES. I thought SNES always looked a bit better.
Yeah.
There's just a different style about them,
and also as well, the Super Nintendo was a lot more stronger console as well.
Yeah.
Where with the Mega Drive, obviously it being a bit more older console, I mean, it came out in 1989/1990 over here.
Did it? Oh, that's great.
Yeah. So.
What was that? Oh.
Obviously, at the time, it was very powerful. So obviously, the NES couldn't compare to it. And also as well, the Super Nintendo has about 20 times as many colours or something ridiculous, isn't it?
Go down here. No, don't go down there. No, shit, I'm gonna get hit. Oh no, I'm alright. I'm alright. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Oh, there we go. Go.
Yeah, because I'm sure the Super Nintendo has a lot of colours, which is why. A lot of times Super Nintendo...
And it has Mode 7!
Yeah.
Mode 7!
I'll be honest, like, I like a lot of the Genesis / Mega Drive.
I'm gonna die again. Why? Oh, the fucking...
sound.
I like that. The star hit him. Has that done that every time?
I think it has, yes. Knocks him out.
I thought he'd done something different. Oh, that's really cool.
Because I like it as well with, like, the sound. But I do think the Super Nintendo does definitely have better sounding video games than the sound. But I enjoy this sound, though.
Is it gonna come out or what? Is there a thing to kill? Where is it? What's he doing? Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we are.
Oh, that was weird. Oh shit! It is quite hard the underwater controls, but it's not so bad. It's not the worst. Looks like I got -1 lives.
It does actually, yeah. I like the fact as well they give you the points back, which I find really cool. Give you more points as well as.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really interesting.
Anything up here? Frogs! Fucking frogs!
One of those weird faces things that keeps them throwing out the frogs at you.
He spit shit at you.
Yeah,
I don't appreciate that. Not at all.
No, we don't.
There's got to be a spawner. Where is it? Don't chase me, seahorse. Look at him. He's like got that killer look.
I love the fact as well, like when they actually die, it's like you got the little faces.
Woo!
It's really cool.
Yeah. Oh boy, I'm enjoying this. This was a good choice, I think. This was a good choice for me. Like, as in, yeah, it's a good choice for me because I don't know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's a fish in a bowl. 2 fishing bowls.
3
fish in the bowls. Okay, I'm running. Oh, the big bowl's broke. The big bowl broke. Oh, it's a shark.
It's a yes.
How do I do this?
I have no idea.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, Mark. Help me.
Maybe you have to get him to smash one of those things down, maybe? The hammerhead shark?
Ooh.
I really don't.
Oh, there's fish. I can just hit him? I don't really know what I'm doing. Ah! I'm trying to grab him as he goes past.
Yeah. That's what we have to do?
Don't know. Ah!
Do you have to grab him into those 3 pillar things on the floor?
I don't know. He's so fast!
He's so, look, I love the way it's like flapping his fins in the background. I think it's really cool.
Come on, motherfucker! Bring it on! Oh, there we go.
Oh, okay.
We just have to be quick. Oh, it's coming down.
Probably going to suffocate him.
Yeah,
obviously
bitch!
Fish.
Fuck you!
Fuck you,
You're gonna
bitch.
die.
You're gonna die.
Shit! Alright, I can do this. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared, Mark. He's gonna get me.
Good worry, Tony, you can do it.
Oh,
I thought
I thought he was as well. That's why I went to grab. Here he is. Oh, whoa! Whoa!
So what are the things on the floor for?
I have no idea.
I guess like they're stopping you or anything.
Yeah. Boom. I think the water's going to go down. Oh, there you go. I don't know what that's done. Oh, is it just draining the water? Is that all it is? Oh, shit. It's Metroids! That didn't do anything. Didn't even hurt me. Weird. Oh, I fucking got him.
Nice one.
Nailed it. Oh, look, he's hitting
knocking
him.
into the.
And then the water's draining, and this is
I can see where it is now. I can see what they are now.
Yeah, I thought that's what they were, but I thought I was going to have to pull them out or something, but he's got him. Got him. I think I did it.
Yeah, you beat him. Now let's do it again. He's dead.
Get the fuck out of here.
I love that.
So, like,
look
excessive.
at those faces. Yeah, I know.
Yeah! He's so happy.
He is, isn't he? Good old Ristar.
I'll grab him. Grab that bear. Grab that ass. Ooh. Oh, I don't even have to jump. It just does it. Yeah! We beat the second boss.
We did?
How many bosses are there?
Can't remember. There's a few.
Under toe completed. I thought it said under top. We doing it. Unbelievable. It called me unbelievable, Mark. Eat that.
Unbelievable, Tony. Do you know the clip of Unbelievable Jeff?
No.
From the Soccer Saturday. Oh, it's a very funny thing. I have to show you before I finish.
No idea what that is.
Unbelievable Jeff. It's like Chris Kamara.
Like the soundtrack. It's cool. Round 3, Planet Scorch.
Scorch.
That sounds dangerous. Shall I save it?
Yeah, might as well. I like the fact that
I've only got 2 lives though. But...
You had only one earlier.
I know. I got an extra life. I'll save it on the second. There we go. I want to beat this. I want to try and beat this. This is a fun game.
This isn't it, man.
I don't know if this is actually... Oh, shit. Fuck off. I don't want to beat this anymore. Fuck you. Fuck you. Is that doing anything?
I don't think so, no.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Fuck off. I don't want to beat this game anymore, Mark. It hurt my feelings.
Damn.
Woo!
What the fuck's that? Should I throw it?
I don't know. Oh, no. What the fuck? I beg your pardon? What is this?
I have no idea.
I think I meant to take it somewhere. Oh, I tricked it. Shit! Oh, I don't know what's going on.
Neither do I, Tony. I like the thing at the bottom that's pointing to your lives. Look at that. It's like pointing to it. You have one life.
You've got one life, motherfucker. Be careful. I don't know what this is. I think, yeah, what you're meant to do is they're traps. So you do that, and then you trick it. So you don't get trapped.
That's really clever.
I think that's what it is. Do you reckon that's right?
I think so, yeah.
That's what it looks like. Oh shit, I should have waited, but I didn't get hit. Calm down. Alright, love. Calm down.
Calm down, dear.
Oh! Okay. Bye, mini-me. Oh, a bird! What the fuck is going on? What is happening? Where did the bird come from, Mark?
I have no idea, Tony.
Fuck you.
Maybe you're supposed to...
Maybe I'm supposed to fuck he's there. Oh. I'm gonna die. I tried.
So close.
I tried.
What if you get life at 0?
No.
Well, you do.
Yep, I'm on life number 0.
I like that when games do that. Because I hate it when it's like 1 is like game over. It's like
yeah.
Fuck you, dude.
It's so it's saying I've got no more lives.
Yes.
And I'll continue after this. Throw this at his head. No. Why is he throwing red balls at me?
Would you like you, Tony?
Got it. Now I've got to wait.
Oh,
what? Oh, I didn't realise.
I like that. I like the fact they kind of change up the gameplay. I think it's really clever.
Fucking cock-sucking bird. I'm gonna die again. No! No! No!
Oh, what a bitch.
Shit! Oh, look, he's dead. Proper dead. Do I get a password? Nope. I can continue though.
Yeah. Press yes.
I'm trying. Start button. Oh, I got 4 continues.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty generous.
It's actually, isn't it? And then I think maybe afterwards, then you get maybe the passcodes then.
Yeah, maybe. 4 lives. Well, 5 lives.
Mm.
Fucking hell. This is a generous game. I like this game. This is like 100 times better than Sonic. Fuck Sonic. Why is Sonic like... Why is Ristar? Look at him. He's a cute motherfucker. Oh. Oh. Why did he not become popular, Mark? That's what I want to know. Why did Sonic get all the love? Just because his design is like the best designed character ever.
Who, Ristar?
No, Sonic.
Sonic's design is alright.
No, I think it is the most well-designed character ever. Like, it's just like, I don't know. It's just so cool. It was perfect for the time. It was just like, yeah, I think... Oh, I don't think... There we go. Yeah, I think he's perfectly designed, and he's survived on his design for a while. That's what I think. Oh shit. I wasn't ready for that. He's definitely not survived on his gameplay. That's all I'm saying. Sorry, Mark.
That's fine, Tony. I'll be honest, I'll give you the 3D ones, but 2D ones I think are still quite good.
They haven't. Sonic 4 wasn't great though, was it?
No.
Exactly. Oh, I got all that life back. Shit. Get over there. Oh fuck. I was trying to keep my friend all the way through.
Oh, you beat the level. No, checkpoint.
Is that what a checkpoint is? Oh fuck.
I presume so,
no,
yeah.
No! Oh! It's getting tougher.
It is, isn't it?
Who would like to see... Oh no, it's not a checkpoint. I'm at the start. Who would like to see Mark play this? A platformer, eh? Eh? Wouldn't that be fun? Oh shit, no! I threw my friend away. Fuck. I can't get him up there now. It's always been my problem, not being able to get him up.
Hey, at least you didn't get hurt though.
Oh, I got hurt there. Oh well. Should have gone right, but I thought there was an enemy there. It's cool. Oh shit. I'm fucking up. Come on, fucking! Why is this bird's deal anyway?
I don't know, man.
Fuck off! Oh, fuck.
Ooh. There you go, Tony.
Oh, I ain't got an extra life yet though. Oh god, here comes the fire. Here comes the fire. At least I remembered that. That looks fucking seizure inducing.
Doesn't it, man?
Fucking... There you go. Oh!
Oh, Tony, that was so close.
I got this, Mark. You don't have to panic. I think it's gone now. Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, it has.
Right, come on, friend. We're going on a journey. I'm gonna get the blue star. Yeah, all my life back. This game's cool. I fucking like this game. This is a really cool choice. Woo! Oh! Ah! Fuck off! What is this?
Fucking bird.
Oh, he's taking me all the way fucking into the fire. Fucking... Oh, this motherfucker. Get out! Fucking... How am I meant to dodge him?
I've no idea.
Oh, like that.
Oh. Fucking bird.
Oh, shit. What am I meant to do here? What am I actually meant to do?
Oh, use that. I think you can...
Oh, fuck.
I think you can use those pipes to twist you around as well.
Oh, I see. Yeah. This is getting hard.